Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SpringHill Suites by Marriott Billings. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, family rooms, fitness center and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Featuring an indoor pool and a fitness center, SpringHill Suites Billings provides various amenities and guest rooms with free Wi-Fi access and cable TV. It is located 1 mile from Big Splash Waterpark. In the air-conditioned guest rooms, SpringHill Suites Billings offers a tea, coffee maker and a work desk. Small meals and snacks can be prepared in the microwave fitted in all rooms. Cardiovascular equipment is provided in the well-appointed fitness center at SpringHill Suites. After a workout, guests can relax in the hot tub. Eagle Rock Golf Course is 9 miles from SpringHill Suites. Free public parking is offered on site. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.